we only have 2 more to go, like 2 videos to go. We already hit to 598 videos, and this video is gonna be 599 or 599. It's gonna hit to 60, like 600, right? And this is the video from the live I was talking about. So what's your name, guys? Put on the comments what's your name, and I will write it in the paper, okay? And I'm just gonna done this video, and I'll be reading your comments. Bye.